Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through backing up your Mac, ensuring your precious files are safe and sound, whether you prefer using iCloud or an external drive. Let's dive right in. First, let's look at backing up to iCloud. This is a convenient option if you want automatic backups and access to your files across all your Apple devices. To start, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings, or sometimes System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. In the window that appears, click on your Apple ID at the top. Now, look for iCloud in the sidebar and click on it. Here you'll see a list of apps and features that can be backed up to iCloud. Simply toggle the switches next to the items you want to include in your backup, like photos, documents, and desktop. If you want to manage the storage space used by specific apps, click the Manage button. Keep in mind that you might need to upgrade your iCloud storage plan if you're backing up a large amount of data. And just like that, your Mac is now backing up important data to iCloud. Now, if you prefer a more traditional approach or want a complete backup of your entire system, using an external drive is the way to go. The first thing you'll need, of course, is an external hard drive with enough storage space to hold all your files. Once you have your drive, plug it into your Mac. A window might pop up asking what you want to do with the drive. If it doesn't, don't worry. Next, open System Settings or System Preferences again from the Apple menu. This time, click on General in the sidebar, then find and click on Time Machine. Now, click the Add Backup Disk button. A window will appear showing available disks. Select your external drive from the list and click Use Disk. You might be prompted to erase the disk. If so, follow the instructions carefully, making sure you back up anything already on the external drive if necessary. Once selected, Time Machine will likely ask if you want to encrypt the backup, which is a good idea for security. Then, just click the Backup Now button. Your Mac will then start creating a complete backup of your system onto your external drive. The initial backup can take a while, especially if you have a lot of data, but subsequent backups will be much faster as Time Machine only backs up the changes. Time Machine also automatically performs incremental backups, so you don't have to worry about manually backing up your Mac. And there you have it. Two simple methods for backing up your Mac, either to the cloud or an external drive, giving you peace of mind knowing your data is safe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.